Welcome all. This is chapter first, A Tale of Two Birds. The word meaning from our first word is shady, which means full of shade. Thunder, a loud noise in the sky heard after lightning. Storm, strong wind. Fortunately, luckily, hunt, to chase and kill wild animals. Tired, exhausted. Got off, climb down. Cry out, shout. Jewel, ornament. Slip away, escape. Amazed, surprised. Faint, low or weak. Clearing, a small area without trees in a forest. Gentle, soft. Comfortable, easy or relaxed. Share, divide. Behave, act or conduct oneself in a specified way. 18. Company, friend. Imitate, copy. Announce, declare or state. Fill ups. So first fill up is: the bird had a nest in a tall shady tree, and the word to be marked here is shady. Next, the other bird landed near a rishi's ashram, and the word to be marked here is rishis. Next, the king saw a deer and rode after it, and the word here is deer. Next, soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram, and the word to be marked here is clearing. Next, number 5th. The king saw a big brown bird on the tree on which he was sitting, and the word here is brown. Next, he is my brother, but he had made friends with robbers, and the word here is robbers. Number 7th. After all, one is known by the company one keeps, and the word to be marked here is company. Number 8 and the last from Phillips is: he imitates them and talks about robbing people, and the word here is imitates. This is all from Phillips. MCQ. First MCQ is: a big heavy branch hit the nest and killed. Options are A, baby bird, B, mother bird, C, horse, and the right option is B, mother bird. Next, one of them came down near. Options are A, a cave, B, an ashram, C, a forest, and the right option is A, a cave. Next, one day the king of the country came to the forest to. Options are A, to see the rishi, B, catch robbers, C, hunt, and the right option is C, hunt. 4th, the king got off this and sat down under a tree. Options are A, horse, B, tree, C, palace, and the right option is A, horse. Number 5th, come and take this item and his horse. Options are A, sword, B, jewel, C, crown, and the right option is B, jewel. Number 6, suddenly he heard a gentle voice. Options are A, shout, B, maid, C, announce, and the right option is C, announce. Now the seventh and the last item from MCQ is: there is some cold water in the options are A. Fridge, B. Pot, C. Kitchen, and the right option is B. Pot. The question answer first one is: how did the two baby birds get separated? Answer: a big storm in the forest carried those baby birds away and dropped them at two different places outside the forest. Number second, where did each of them find a home? Answer: one of them landed near a cave where the robbers lived, while the other came down near a rishi ashram. Third, what did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer: he said, there is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away. Next, number 4. What did the second bird say to him? Answer: he said, welcome, sir. Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food. Number 5. How did the rishi Number 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? According to the rishi, the other bird heard robbers talk of robbing people and so imitated their language. This bird, on the other hand, heard the good things only and so spoke in good manner alone. So this is all from this chapter. Thank you.